Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the haptic feedback options on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the home screen. Here, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen. Find the settings icon and tap on it to open the settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics option. And here scroll down, find the Haptics category, and right here we can customize some of the Haptics settings. First we have Haptic Alerts, and we can enable this option or disable it. Basically, if you disable this option, you won't get the vibration when you get the alert basically. So if it's enabled, you get the sound and also the vibration, and you can change the type of vibration. You have default and prominent, like that. Okay, next we can scroll down and we have different types of haptics. We have crown haptics. Basically, if it's enabled, you can feel the watch vibrate when you're rotating the crown. And you can disable it if you don't like it, and then it won't vibrate anymore. Next we have system haptics. Basically, this will your watch vibrates whenever you press the button or something like that. And if you disable this option, it won't happen anymore. You won't have the system haptics basically. And the last option we have right here is cover to mute. And basically, when there's an alert or if somebody is calling you, you can press your palm on the watch to mute your device. And you can enable or disable this option by tapping the switch. And that's about all. That's how you customize the haptic feedback settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.